Yo, what's up, guys? We about to fucking install these JackSpania big tube headers. Right now, he has these DC Sport headers. They're not so good, but this is the header setup. I forgot which YouTuber it was. Driven Film. What is the name? Driven Film Dell or some shit like that. Dell Driven Films.
For what? Oh, for the
header.
I don't even know.
Well, we saw it on YouTube, and we saw that he made 10 horsepower off a stock B16. And the welds on here look pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Take a good look at it. Like, it looks really good. I'm guessing it's a 4-2-to-1 with a 3-inch collector. This thing is fucking huge, bro. But yeah, we're gonna install it on my brother's hatch right here. That's my brother right there. Hell yeah. We just did this yesterday. He's still missing the clamp right here, but it's a velocity stack. He's waiting on the velocity stack itself too. But yeah, we're about to put this shit on. All right, so we're about to start taking the header off right here. You got mismatched bolts. My bad. 12 and 13. So we're gonna take that off. This is a B20 B with a B16 transmission. So we're gonna see what this bitch does. Hopefully, I mean, it looks pretty nice here, bro, but we're gonna have to go on the bottom of the car to cut it up and see how this bitch does. I know the radiator is pretty big, so we're gonna have to like see how we're gonna fit it. Let me show you this hatch real quick. Nice little clean hatch. Nardo gray. Already repping the JackSpania. It's pretty low, got some camber. Yeah, my brother about to start taking it down right now. I'm gonna start cutting it and then I'll come back to you. All right, so we got the car lifted up. I'm about to, while he's taking that off over here. So what we gotta do is, I'm about to take the O2 sensor off. This is the old one, by the way. It's all beat up and shit. Don't mind the welds. These are old as fuck. Where's the O2? So the O2 sensor should be around here. We're gonna have to cut it. Then I'm gonna cut it. Then we're gonna remove the header from up top. So I'll catch you guys when it's done. All right, so I switched to the GoPro. I was using my iPhone, but we're about to see if it's gonna clear it. I mean, we might have to move adjustments. We're still waiting for his velocity stack and stuff, but this is a B20B. There's no videos on YouTube showing the JackSpania headers on an EK with a B20. So far, I've seen it's only a B16. Two B16s actually. That's about it. But man, look at this quality of the header though. A lot of people hate on JackSpania racing, but man, this header is actually really fucking nice. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm just making a video. I bought a set for my EF as well. But right now we're just doing my brother's hatch. Yeah, man, we're about to see what's up. Hopefully it goes on. I think this is the new gasket or the old one. I'm not too sure. But the only thing is this radiator right here. We're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do. Fun fact: this valve cover is from my EG hatch. So part of my EG lives on with my brother's hatch. But yeah, man, about to install this bit. Yo, Matt, say what's good, dog. You excited for your whip, bruh? Mm-hmm. Hell yeah, bruh.
It's gonna be fine.
Gonna be fine, like he said, bruh. Look at this, bro. The difference is so much, bro. It looks amazing, bro. Compared to that old shitty header. Fun fact too, this was also on my EG. I gave it to him when he first did his B20 swap. Man, these headers just look amazing. Man. But yeah, we're about to put it in right now, see what's up. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna do a time lapse or something, I don't know.
Yeah, that'd be cool though. You can just put it right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna catch you.
colors in my eyes. I can't even tell you nothing but you lie. I had a cut on my ties. I couldn't even tell her nothing cause I cried. I just walked these stepping in these Louboutins. And she walked, and she clean on my fucking tongue. Yeah, I was shipping salt. I was shipping skull. I take the pick and meditate on my fucking mom. Yeah, what the hell you wasting on my time? Why you crying?
All right, so my little brother's putting on the header right now. Damn,
May you go in.
Please. That shit looks good in there. Look at that motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, bruh. Need a velocity stack. That's it. Damn. Comes out pretty far. Like I said, we only saw this on 2 videos. There were 2 B16s. Wanted to see if it would work on a non-VTEC. It says it would, but like there's no video on someone with a EK and that has a B20 non-VTEC motor trying out this header. So fuck it, we're gonna try it on this car. We won't be able to drive it today, but we could give it a cold start on the header, see how it sounds. It's probably gonna be loud as shit too.
Yo.
It was hot as
Bruh,
fuck.
the 12 was on
Bruh.
Bruh, I lost the 12 and that shit was right there.
That's what happens when you be working on these shits, bro. You just lose it.
I didn't even fucking know, honestly.
Damn, man, this thing looks fucking nice. Just look at that. Look at the design on it. I start to lift it up before you tighten it fully.
So I shouldn't tie them all on right now? I got most of them on already, dude.
Well, I'm gonna tighten these, hold up. Alright, so for the EK guys, just letting you know, if you got a B16 transmission, you're gonna be cutting it very close right here. It's right next to the transmission, but it's not touching the flywheel, so you guys have enough. I don't think it's gonna do anything wrong, but just so you guys know that it's gonna be hitting right there. And I'm about to install the O2 sensor in here. I screw it in. Shave my hair. Installing the O2. I would put it here, but it's gonna hit the subframe. Yo, connect it up here.
Alright.
Just grab it. My little brother's gonna grab the sensor itself and connect it. Yo, so when you get your AFR gauge,
yeah,
this is the one we're gonna put it in.
Where?
This one right here.
Oh, that's how that works?
Yeah. I'm gonna just tighten this one though.
Yeah. So is it just a bolt in there that's just covering it?
Yeah. Just make sure it's tight. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just connect that.
All right. Yeah, man, bro, this design is really nice. JackSpania Racing, you did your shit with it, man. I'm not gonna lie. It comes out nice. The only thing is we had to cut it right here. If you guys can see that part right here, we had to cut it right here so it could actually fit. All right, so oh fuck, forgot the music. My bad for that. So we took the metal pour out. So this is how it's actually sitting now. There's gonna be no flow there, but we're about to give it a start right now. See how it is. And we put the O2 in. We mounted the radiator. It should be all right. I mean, doesn't look too good there, but it should be all right. But so what we did up here is for the radiator, we took off the piece right here. We basically flipped it. This is supposed to be on that side, and this side's supposed to be here. But we flipped it. I opened this hole a bit. Here, move the radiator up and down. Yep. So now that motherfucker's on there. But yeah, man, look at these fucking headers. Came out very far. Look at that. Shit looks nice in there. But he's about to start it up and see how it goes from there. Start it up. Woo. That motherfucker loud.
fucking loud.
Yeah. Tinted chain, and you know it gon' bang. I got so many bitches, I cannot complain. I got so many shooters, I cannot be tamed. So many slimes, snakes on the plane. They dropping them dimes, them niggas be lame. I pull a big body, so stay in your lane. The walker made me lean, so I need a cane. She fuck for the clock, she really want the fame. But I don't wanna fuck, I just want the brain. I don't follow rules, I go against the grain. It seems like when you getting money, shit change. Pussy nigga don't make